Have you ever pondered the peculiarities of the humble cow? Yes, cows, those gentle giants grazing in the fields, are actually brimming with fascinating quirks. Today, we're going to take a captivating journey into their world, unraveling a list of weird and wonderful facts about these seemingly simple creatures. From their multiple stomachs to their unexpected social behaviors, there's much more to cows than meets the eye. So, prepare to be intrigued as we delve into the world of cows, unearthing facts that might surprise you. Fact number 1, did you know a cow has more than one stomach? Now, before you start imagining a cow with a row of stomachs lined up inside, let me clarify. A cow's stomach is divided into 4 different compartments. The first compartment, known as the rumen, is where the cow's food first lands. It's a bit like a fermentation vat, where the food begins to break down with the help of bacteria. Then it moves into the reticulum, a compartment that acts like a sieve, filtering out the smaller particles. The third stop is the omasum, where water and minerals are absorbed. Finally, the food enters the abomasum, which you could think of as the cow's true stomach. This is where the food is digested in a similar way to how it happens in our stomachs. That's right, a cow's stomach is a complex, 4-chambered affair, much more intricate than our own. Moving on to our second fact, cows can sleep standing up. Yes, you heard it right. These gentle giants have developed an extraordinary skill to catch some Z's on their feet. This peculiarity is not exclusive to cows, though. Horses are also known for their ability to snooze while standing. So why do cows sleep standing up? The answer lies in their instinct for survival. In the wild, predators lurk around every corner. By sleeping standing up, these animals can make a quick escape if danger approaches. It's an evolutionary advantage that's been passed down through generations, but don't be fooled. While cows can doze off standing, they prefer to lie down for their deep sleep. It's in this position that they can truly relax and dream. So next time you see a cow standing still, remember it might just be taking a power nap, a trait that surely makes their nap times quite interesting. Our third fact brings us to the social life of cows. Who would have thought that cows, those gentle, grass-munching creatures we often see lazily grazing in the fields, have a buzzing social life? Yes, you heard it right. Cows are incredibly social animals, and their social dynamics are as intriguing as they are complex. Imagine a bustling city where every individual knows their neighbors, the leader, and even the local bully. This is how a herd of cows operates, with each cow knowing its place in the pecking order. The herd is usually led by a dominant cow, often the oldest or the most experienced, who guides the group to the best grazing spots. The rest of the cows follow in line, respecting the social hierarchy, but it's not all about following the leader. Cows also form close friendships within the herd. Just like us humans, cows prefer to spend their time with specific individuals who they consider their best friends. These friendships are not fleeting, but rather they can last for several years. Cows find comfort and safety in these bonds, and they become visibly distressed when separated from their friends. And here's a twist. Not only do cows form friendships, but they also hold grudges. Yes, you got it right. If a cow is treated badly by another, it will remember the incident and may avoid or act aggressively towards that individual in the future. This intricate social system of cows is a testament to their intelligence and emotional depth. They recognize each other, form bonds, hold grudges, and even mourn the loss of herd members. So the next time you see a herd of cows, remember there's a lot going on beneath the surface. As we delve deeper into the social world of cows, we realize that these animals are not just passive observers of the world, but active participants in their social environment. They have a rich tapestry of relationships, some of which are surprisingly similar to our own. So, it seems cows may have a richer social life than some humans. Did you know that cows have superpowers? Yes, you heard it right. Cows, our humble bovine friends, are graced with certain extraordinary abilities that leave us humans in awe. Let's start with their sense of smell. While we humans boast about our 5 senses, cows take it up a notch with their phenomenal olfactory prowess. They can smell things up to 6 miles away. Imagine being able to sniff out your favorite pie baking in an oven 6 miles off. That's a cow for you. This sense of smell is not only impressive, but also vital for their survival. It helps them locate food, identify potential predators, and even detect changes in the weather. But that's not all. Cows are also magnetic field detectives. Yes, you heard it right. Research has shown that cows can sense the Earth's magnetic field. This might sound like something straight out of a comic book, but it's true. Scientists discovered this peculiar trait when they noticed a strange pattern in cow behavior. Cows, regardless of where they are in the world, tend to face either the north or south, while grazing or resting. Intrigued by this, researchers delved deeper and found that cows align themselves with the Earth's magnetic field lines. This magnetic sense, dubbed magnetoreception, is a fascinating subject of study. It's believed to aid in navigation, helping cows find their way back to their herd or their favorite grazing spot. How incredible is that? But why do cows have these superpowers? Well, the answer lies in evolution. Over millions of years, cows, like many other animals, have developed these abilities to survive in the wild. Their heightened sense of smell helps them detect predators from afar, while their magnetic sense helps them navigate vast landscapes. So the next time you see a cow, don't just see it as a simple creature grazing in a field. Remember, it's a super cow, equipped with remarkable abilities that help it navigate and survive in this vast and complex world. It seems cows have a few tricks up their sleeves that we humans can only dream of. Our final fact may surprise you. Cows are a significant contributor to climate change. Now, you may be thinking, how can these gentle, grass-munching creatures possibly be linked to something as vast and complex as climate change? Well, the answer lies in what happens after they've had their fill of grass. You see, cows, like all ruminants, have a unique digestive system that allows them to break down tough plant material. However, this process also produces methane, a potent greenhouse gas. As they munch away on their daily diet of grass, cows produce a significant amount of methane through a process called enteric fermentation. This methane is then released into the atmosphere, usually through the cow's burps. Now, while a single cow's methane might not seem like a big deal, consider this. There are over 1 billion cows on our planet, each contributing to this methane output. In fact, the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations estimates that livestock accounts for nearly 15% of all human-induced greenhouse gas emissions, with the majority of this coming from ruminant animals like cows. This makes the livestock sector one of the largest contributors to global warming, on par with the entire transport sector. While this might seem like a gloomy fact, it's also an opportunity. By finding ways to reduce methane emissions from cows, we can make a significant impact on climate change. This could involve changes in farming practices, dietary adjustments for the cows, or even technological solutions. So, the next time you see a cow peacefully grazing in a field, remember it's not just a simple creature. It's a part of a much larger, more complex story. A story that involves us all and the future of our planet. So, the humble cow, in its own way, plays a part in our global climate situation. To sum up, cows are far more intriguing creatures than we often give them credit for. Their anatomy and behavior are rife with fascinating quirks that set them apart from the animal kingdom. In our journey today, we've learned that cows possess a unique digestive system with not one but 4 stomachs. This allows them to break down complex plant materials we humans would struggle with. An impressive feat, wouldn't you say? We've also debunked the myth that cows sleep standing up. In reality, these gentle giants doze off while upright, but for deep sleep, they prefer to lie down just like the rest of us. Our exploration into the social nature of cows revealed that they are far from the solitary, indifferent creatures they're often portrayed as. Cows form complex social structures and even have best friends. Quite charming, don't you think? We've marveled at the super cow, a breed that can yield an extraordinary quantity of milk. And lastly, we delved into the impact of cows on climate change, a topic that underscores the importance of sustainable farming practices. So there we have it, a whirlwind tour of the weird and wonderful world of cows. It's clear that these creatures are more than just providers of milk and meat. They are sophisticated animals with unique abilities and social structures. Next time you see a cow, remember there's more to these creatures than meets the eye.